The Bengal tiger, biggest of all the big cats. The silent hunter of India's forests. More than 11 feet in length and weighing over 550 pounds. This is the super heavyweight of the cat family. But despite its thick-set, heavily muscled body, the tiger has a turbocharger. In an instant, it can switch from stealth mode to attack mode, becoming an athlete of astonishing speed. A tiger relies on stealth to get within 10 feet of its prey. It prefers to hunt by night, but even during the day, a tiger's stripes are excellent camouflage in the tall grass. Keen eyesight picks up even the slightest movement, and large cup-shaped ears focus its sensitive hearing. The tiger relies on these attributes to get as close as it can to its prey. But when the time comes, it has another trick up its sleeve. This muscle-bound heavyweight becomes a powerful sprinter, amazingly fast from a standing start. Its skeleton transforms it into an athlete. As the tiger accelerates, its long hind legs act like coiled springs. The shoulder blades move freely to lengthen the front legs. Smooth, rounded vertebrae give its backbone elastic flexibility, and its foot bones are extended to give maximum stride length. All of this means that a tiger can cover 20 feet in a single stride, allowing it to catch its fast food.